Today, I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can see your likes and face. So, for an example, I'm going to like this post over here. So let's see. And I just close my Facebook and I open it again. And I want to see the post which I just liked. Alright. So in order to do that, first you need to click on menu at the bottom right. If you don't see menu, just scroll up and it's going to appear. Click on menu, and then at the top right corner, you can see the little setting button. You want to click on the setting button, and from B here, scroll a bit down until you see this option called Activity Log. Once you see Activity Log, click on it, and from Activity Log, the first option reads, "Is your activity across Facebook?" Want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you all these different kind of option from this. The first one reads as comments and reaction. We can manage, comment, and react. And every single post we have commented, or reacted, or liked, is going to be shown. As you guys can see, the post which I have just liked is appearing over here. I can click on it, and it's going to take me to the post just like this. So all the post I have liked until now, or reacted until now, is being shown over here, like this, as you guys can see. So hope you understand, and hope you guys can see your likes on Facebook. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day. I'll see you guys next time.